have the March Boxycharm for you guys, and this is going to be a quick little unboxing. First things first is the little card. This is sent for review purposes, and this month is called the Game Changer. It is called the Game Changer because it's celebrating women's history, and basically it's for the game changers and the boss babes. And this is the base box, and it is the version number 19. The first thing in here is the Core Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. This is $48, and it is a multitasking treatment that blurs imperfections, smooths texture, and replenishes skin. It is supposed to be a really great hydration. I haven't seen Cores in a hot minute, but I really do enjoy them. They used to be in Sephora. I'm not sure if they are anymore. But their skincare stuff I really did enjoy when I did purchase from them and tried their products. And it comes in this box right here. It's a big box like this, and this, oh okay, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be a cream, but it's almost like a serum, or it is a serum. Yeah, it's really liquidy. It's a replenish and re-texture, and it says apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. I will be testing this out. It does have the little dropper, and it's, as you can see there, it's very liquidy, very watery. I'm just gonna put some on my hand and see what it feels like, if it has any kind of smell. Yeah, it's super hydrating. I really, and it has some kind of oil smell to it. I can't distinguish it, but it's a very light fragrance. As you can see there, very hydrating, gives a lot of luminosity to the skin. We'll be including this in my skincare. There's some stuff that I keep and some stuff that I give away, but I will definitely try this out just to see what it's like. Cores is definitely one of those products that I really highly have enjoyed their products. And here on the side it says that it has the Santorini grape extract that basically nourishes your skin, grape seed oil, which is basically the smell that I was smelling, that helps give like skin elasticity and texture. It has a resveratrol, which is naturally found in grape skin, and it helps with multiple anti-aging benefits. And yeah, so we'll definitely be testing this out and seeing if I like it. It definitely completely absorbed into my hand. It didn't leave it like oily or anything like that, so really nice. The next thing in here is the Persona Cosmetics lip liner. This is $14. Comes like this. So this is in the shade 90210, which I don't know if I already own this or not. I can't tell you. I've been trying to use my lip liners more because I feel like I don't use them a lot. I always forget to use them, and oh god, this looks like such a beautiful shade. Look at how gorgeous that shade is. It's such a 90s shade. I would use this all over the lips. I want to say that I've had this shade before. I'm not really sure, but just a very beautiful color. And this is $14. Next is the Luxie Florals brush set. This is $40. It comes in a little baggie like this. This I have gotten previously in a Boxycharm. In my own Boxycharm, if I'm not mistaken. I literally already own this. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is one of the brushes here in my collection. It comes with 4 brushes, and I'm not mad at getting another one because truly I do really love their brushes. And it does have a little sponge. It comes with a flat, like 2 different flat brushes, a crease brush and a liner brush. Luxie brushes, their quality is absolutely amazing. I just recently did a video for small hooded eyes, like my favorite brushes for those, and went down through the different categories for you guys. So if you're interested in that, definitely check it out on my channel. But Luxie brushes are really good, so really good set in here, and this is worth $40. They say that there's an eyeliner, tapered blending, eye shading brush, and concealer brush. What they consider their concealer brush is this one right here, but to me this is just like a flat all over eye brush. I feel like this is way too small to apply concealer unless you're going to spot conceal. But it's a really nice set, and Luxie brushes are superb quality. Next thing in here is the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. This is $19.95. It's a multitasking mask that's supposed to give you your brightest, clearest skin. It says vitamin C helps with acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. And yeah, apparently it says that it has kadoob, plum, and papaya enzyme. And let me see, it just says add a thick layer to your face, rub in circular motions for 30 seconds, and then leave for 5 minutes. That's nice to only leave it for 5 minutes, because sometimes you don't have all the time in the world to just have to sit around. And let's see what this looks like. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's a little pump. So you just pump it out. You could probably pump it into a spatula or your hand and then apply it onto the skin. I really enjoy the Frank Body line. We've gotten a few of their products in the Boxycharm. The ones for the body are okay. I think this is the first one that I'm going to try for the face, and we'll definitely see if I enjoy it. And it is 98% naturally derived. Then the last thing in here is the Elman Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is worth $18. This is a new brand to Boxycharm. This is in the shade Miami. And let's go ahead and open this bad boy here. I really enjoy the packaging on here. It's a beautiful like pinky shade, and it has like a little bit of a floral scent to it. Oh, that's such a beautiful shade right there. The lip liner does not go with the liquid lipstick whatsoever. Very beautiful shade. These two were the only two makeup products in here. Everything else were just like the brushes and then 2 different skincare products. I feel like there's a good variation this month, you know, between skincare and makeup, so that you know, if you like one thing or another, you kind of have a balance in there. But that is everything that came in the box. Definitely, I feel like it's a good box. It's better than last month's, especially with the Luxie brushes. That's something that I absolutely love, and I don't mind having backups of those brushes because their brushes, like I said, are really great. As always, I will put the total value around here. Let me know what you guys thought of the box. What are your thoughts? What did you pick as your choice? If you were still subscribed to Boxycharm, I'd love to know down below. Overall, I think that this one is a nice one. Like I said, more of a variation of a little bit of everything in there. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. I do have a link with Boxycharm down below if you're interested in subscribing to them. And they do also, if you're subscribed to them, have also other boxes like their premium, their luxe, and also they do have like different shop, I think it's called like drop shop, where you can purchase stuff for like 80% off as well. Thank you guys so much for those who are still sticking around my channel. I am thankful for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.